Recipe for a Multilingual Family by Ute Limacher-Riebold. First, put every family member in a bowl. Sort them by language skills and levels of competence. Make sure everyone accepts each other's language and that their agreed language goals are realistic. Second, make sure to support the language each member speaks, when, with whom, in the family, the community, and the extended family and friends. Leave them time to decide. Third, stir and make sure they code switch and code mix with people who speak the same languages in a very specific settings in order to develop a healthy multilingual flexibility and taste. Fourth, gently marinate the mix in all the different spices of Ute's smart language plan. Before moving to step 5, make sure every member is ready. Otherwise, repeat steps 1 to 4 until they are all on the same page. Fifth, after dipping them into the different flavors of every needed language, make sure that they all get thoroughly and consistently immersed in rich and varied language input and are provided with resources, books, audiobooks, songs, etc., and compelling input. Repeat as often as needed. 6. Add a spoonful of each culture involved and make sure everyone understands and embraces the different values, beliefs, and develops a pride to belong to each one of them. 7th, add the spice of each language regularly in order for the flavors of phonemes, morphemes, lexemes, syntax mix thoroughly and motivate the speakers to improve their skills. Repeat as many times as necessary to observe progress. 8th, when sufficiently confident, enjoy the progress, but keep on exposing each member regularly to new resources and stimuli to keep them motivated and engaged. 9th, make sure that each member advances at their very own pace towards the next level of proficiency by repeating steps 1 to 8 if necessary. 10th, when adding any further language, make sure to repeat the steps 1 to 9 and enjoy every single step. Now be aware that at any point of the multilingual journey, one or more languages will be more dominant and every family member has his or her or their very own dominant language constellation. Make sure that every language is welcome and accept the agreed terms and conditions and support each other unconditionally.